What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon and welcome to your daily updates on Aptos, or APT, that's the abbreviation, but most of you probably know that. As you can see, chart is looking pretty good. No, I'm just kidding, but we're going to be zooming in this video. We'll take a look at Aptos again, and I wanted to do a little bit more of a long-term analysis, alright? Because let's be honest with each other, the launch of Aptos, even though it was very hyped up, at least around the kind of people I follow and the people I resonate with, it was kind of hyped up, but the launch has been very boring, which actually could be considered as something very bullish, right? I mean, you'd rather have a coin that just instantly consolidates than a coin that drops down a lot. And obviously we did drop down a little bit because that's just almost what always happens with a new crypto launch, all right? So don't worry about that too much. I don't even look at that, to be honest. I don't even draw fibs from there. But in this video, as I said, I wanted to do a little bit more of a longer term analysis, kind of seeing what's going on right now and what to expect. I'm trying to find a good fib here. Let's see if this works. Doesn't really work. See if this works. I'm not sure. Yeah, this seems to work, to be honest. So I wanted to do a little bit more of a long-term analysis, as I said, for the third time right now. If we take a look at Aptos, volume has dropped down quite a bit. It's still very high, all right? If you compare this with other cryptos, it's still very high. I think it's going to initially fall back down the volume, but I am expecting some big moves in the next week or next 2 weeks at a max for Aptos. So what would that look like? All right, so all right, before we get into the price analysis, let me first check out the transactions per second for Aptos. You can find that if you go to their website, aptoslabs.com, and then the Aptos Explorer. Yesterday we were at 40 transactions per second, and now we're at none. now we have 10. Whoa, down. All right, so this doesn't necessarily, I mean, that it's right now at 10.5 transactions per second. I mean, the thing is, that's quite a lot of transactions, right? 10 per second. It's like 600 per minute. That's like 3,600 per hour. Is that true? 36,000 per hour. That's quite a lot. So even though it has a theoretical volume or a theoretical TPS of 160,000, maybe just not a lot of people are transacting Aptos. It's possible. Obviously, that will increase when actually the ecosystem around and on the Aptos blockchain will increase. But now let's take a look at the price. So we've been consolidated. That's a different crypto. We've been consolidated for the last 2 days between at the top 7.75, and as a support level mainly $7. All right. You could argue that we dropped down to 6.8, but I'd say that was more of a fake out, and after that we actually did stay on top of $7. So we should extend this a little bit down, then it actually works, as you can see. So what we're going to do in the upcoming week, I think, all right, so because I've never seen a launch of such a big crypto and that we didn't have at least one big drop or one big rally. All right, so what's going to happen is we're going to do one of these two things, and these are the two most important levels. It's $7 and it's 7.75, in my opinion at least, right? And to me it looks more likely right now that we'll break down below $7. The moment we do that, we'll actually drop down all the way to 6.8 and 6.6, 6.5, probably 6.6, 6.5. Then from there we'll see again, because it could very well be that we hold that level for a longer period of time. And then from there start up another rally, but at least that would be quite a big drop, all right? Because from here that would be like, oh no. Yeah, this is almost impossible to do when the price is like this. All right, I'm not going to do this for the upside, but from here that would be like a 7.5%, 8%, 10% drop, which is quite a lot for a big crypto such as Aptos. So it's either going to be this, or because it almost looks like it looks very likely that we'll drop down to $7. If we can hold that and actually get a rally up to 7.5, then break through 7.5, and then break through 7.75, I mean, this is why I think the bearish scenario is more likely. We have to break through a lot of resistance levels, but 7.75, I don't even think we need to break through $8. I think the moment we break through 7.75, we're going up to at least 8.4 and 8.5. And from there, we got a good chance of actually extending that up to 9 and 9.5. But I'll definitely do an update on that. I'll probably still do daily updates on Aptos for the next couple of days. But that's in general for the next week. It's going to be one of those two things. So I will keep updating it. But that's, I think, what you need to know about Aptos on the short term. So I want to thank you all for watching and listening. Take care. Hope to see you all in my next videos and have a great day. Bye.